In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Adding pop-ups, also known as lightboxes, can be a great way to engage with your users, promote special offers, or highlight important information. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily integrate this feature into your Wix site. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening the Wix website editor. To do this, head over to the wix.com website and log in with your account details. Once logged in, navigate to the site editor where you'll be able to make changes to your website. With your editor open, look towards the left side of the screen and click on the button labeled Add Elements. This button is your gateway to a variety of features and elements that can be seamlessly integrated into your site, from text and images to more interactive features. Next, once you've clicked Add Elements, you'll want to look for the Interactive section. Click on that to see a list of elements like lightboxes, which are interactive in nature and can effectively capture visitors' attention. From the list of options under Interactive, select Lightbox. Lightboxes in Wix serve as pop-ups that overlay your site's content, allowing you to display messages or calls to action in a way that's both noticeable and unintrusive. Now, within the Lightbox menu, select the Promotion category. Promotion lightboxes are specifically designed for marketing purposes, allowing you to spotlight deals, upcoming events, or other marketing campaigns effectively. After choosing the Promotion lightbox, a template appears for you to begin customizing. Click Manage Lightboxes to start configuring how your lightbox will operate. This feature enables you to select which pages the lightbox will appear on and under what circumstances, like on the first visit or after a certain action is taken by the user. Once you've set the basic parameters, click on Settings to access more detailed options for your lightbox. Here, you can set triggers for when the pop-up appears or disappears, ensuring that your message is timed perfectly for maximum impact. Next, click on Layout. This option allows you to adjust the positioning and size of your lightbox. A well-designed layout will ensure that your pop-up doesn't overwhelm users, but instead draws their focus momentarily and effectively. After adjusting your layout, click on Design to customize the aesthetics of your lightbox, including colors, fonts, and backgrounds, styling the pop-up to match your site's overall theme. Lastly, explore the Animation and Effects section. Adding a touch of animation can make your pop-up more engaging and appealing as it appears or disappears from the screen, catching the eye without being too distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Wix website. With a little customization, your lightbox will serve as an effective tool to engage visitors and enhance their experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!